साथ चलते चलते हम पहुंचे हैं इस पार्क में. Remember, I had said that we are visiting only the safest and less crowded places for us to go in these COVID times. So today, we will be visiting Parc des Bagatelles and Tuileries, from where we will get to see Paris from a bird's eye view. Now let me tell you that these parks may not be on your checklist when you visit Paris as a tourist, but definitely places to visit if you're staying in Paris for long. And if you still would not get time to visit here, तो फिर आज देख लो मेरे साथ. This park is one of the 4 poles of the Botanical Garden of Paris. Created in 1775, the park and its palace, or as the French call it, Château, were built in 64 days. Yes, only in 64 days, which was following a bet between Queen Marie Antoinette and her brother-in-law, Comte d'Artois. In addition to the huge trees and varied flora that you will come across, this garden also has a colorful hut, small bridges, rocks, caves, mirrors, and man-made waterfalls, which add charm and romance to the place. This is the colorful hut that I was talking about. Isn't it beautiful? Come on, let's go inside the hut. This whole park is pretty huge and very good for outdoor picnics with friends and family. I see a peacock. Oh yes, and you will spot a peacock all around in this park. It's a treat to the eyes to see them roaming around in the park. Visitors especially admire this magnificent rose garden of 10,000 roses from 1,200 different species. Every year since 1907, the Bagatelle Rose Garden has been the setting for a prestigious international competition for new roses. And this competition takes place every year in the month of June. And with so much natural beauty around, I have decided to allow you to enjoy the nature more than my chapad chapad. So please enjoy. This is the gardener's house. Isn't it pretty? This has a vegetable garden right in front of it. So let's take a look. Some parts of this park have been designed in such a way that it feels as if you have entered into a completely different magical world. And yes, as I had mentioned earlier, peacocks roam around very freely in this park, allowing us to admire their beauty from so close. So now I am going to take you to Tuileries. From here we are going to get a bird's eye view of Paris. But before that, let's just explore around the park a bit. After strolling around in the park for a while, we decided to go on this giant wheel, and I will allow you to see what we saw from the giant wheel. This is the Louvre Museum, which is distinguished by the glass pyramid of the lobby. It is the most visited museum in the world. And this is Eiffel Tower. I don't think it needs any introduction. This is the highest point in the city and the second most visited monument in Paris. And of course, you can also see the entire city of Paris from up here. And with that, we have reached towards the end of our episode for the day. We are definitely going to meet next week, but don't worry, I am not going to take you to some other park. This time, I am going to take you to some other place. Hint do? That place is a paradise for arts and craft and stationery lovers. Till then, bye bye. Or as Usha Uttub ji would say,